Do-it-yourself air conditioning in the garage gig. Showing 110, just got home from work and it's pretty hot in here. What I got here is typical house fan. Sink underneath the condensation drip, or you could build a pan under that. Over here I got this coil here circulating through, goes through plastic piping. Comes down, goes through the side of this little cabinet into the side of my refrigerator. I'm going to put some of that expansion foam in there, or you can see it, but I drilled into the side of the fridge. So it's a little cheap beer fridge. What I got here is that there was my old vacuum. Didn't work no more, so I saved that little pan, filled that with water. Good beer. And there's a fish pump in there, so it's circulating through that tube there, going around, hitting the coil, coming back through the other tube, going through the fish pump. $6 for a fish pump. Just turn this puppy on. Of course, if you don't have a refrigerator to do this, you're a tent camping at the river, hungover, wanting to sleep in your tent, hook it up to your ice chest with ice water and your beers in there. Fantastic little gig there. If I only had a brain, and it costs very little to do. About 110 in the summer when I open the garage. This guy here kicks it down to 65 degrees. It's slowly getting down there. But that temperature will even out to 60 degrees. Get it yourself. Yarr.